Practice it exercise 11.9 hasOdd. We're going to write a method called hasOdd, and it takes a set of integers as a parameter, and it's going to return true or false, so we need a boolean, if the set contains at least one odd integer and false otherwise. So as long as we hit one odd integer, we are going to return true. This is pretty simple. We're given a set, we need to iterate through this, so what do we need? An iterator. So we'll have iterator, and then inside of here we are going to pass, let's see, it wants integers, so type integer, and we'll just call this it1, and we'll set it equal to a set1.iterator, because sets have an iterator method. Now we want to go through this, so we are going to use a simple while loop. We're going to run it while our it1.hasNext, and then inside of here we want to do a check. We want to see if it1.next, so the next value or current value, is odd, right? Because it returns true if it contains at least one odd integer. So it1.next, if it's odd, meaning if modulus 2 does not equal to 0, meaning that there's some remainder, we want to immediately return true. Otherwise, once we break out of this while loop, we are going to return false. So that should be pretty much it. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. That will pass the 9 out of 9 test, and that's the code for this exercise 11.9 hasOdd.